I remember my first impression of New York. Noise, sound, too many images at once coalescing into one big confusion. Very confusing. The language. Somebody on the ship when we came here taught me one English sentence. I am a large girl. I was not large. Besides, it's ungrammatical. But that was my first sentence. I learned it pretty quickly. I'm good at languages. I love words. I'm thrilled by ordinary words. I read words as if they were paintings. They mean so many different things, but that's another subject.